to your view trending news updates from NaijaNews TV. Here are the headlines. I'd rather die in detention than face trial by biased judge or court, says Nnamdi Kanu. President Tinubu congratulates El-Rufai on 65th birthday amid backlash. No politician with conscience will join APC, says ex-Sokoto Governor Tambuwal. Now the news in detail. The detained leader of the indigenous people of Biafra, IPOB, Nnamdi Kanu, has declared that he would prefer to remain in detention for the rest of his life, rather than being tried by a corrupt and biased court or judge. Kanu made this statement in an open letter to the public which he personally signed from his detention at the Department of State Services, DSS. The letter was made available through his special counsel, Barrister Aloy Ejimako. Kanu vowed, "If it will take the rest of my life in detention to produce me before a proper and impartial court, so be it. But let me say this for the world to know, I will not succumb to any trial conducted by any judge or court whose jurisdiction does not pass constitutional muster. Not now, not ever," he said in the letter. In other news, President Bola Ahmed Tinubu has extended birthday wishes to former Kaduna State Governor Nasiru El-Rufai on his 65th birthday, despite recent tensions and criticisms. According to reports, relations between Tinubu and El-Rufai have soured in recent times, with the former governor openly criticizing the All Progressive Congress (APC) administration and accusing those close to the president of engaging in tribal politics. However, in a statement released on Sunday, February 16, 2025, by the Special Advisor to the President on Information and Strategy, Ononuga, Tinubu praised El-Rufai as a scholar, administrator, and politician. He also recognized El-Rufai's contributions to democracy, his dedicated service to the nation, and his role in mentoring the younger generation. And lastly for tonight, former governor of Sokoto State, Aminu Tambuwal, has expressed disappointment over the recent wave of defections by members of the People's Democratic Party, PDP, to the ruling All Progressive Congress, APC. According to Tambuwal, no politician with a conscience will join the APC, given the current economic situation in the country. Speaking to journalists shortly after the Northwest Zonal meeting of the PDP in Kaduna State on Saturday, Tambuwal attributed the defections to stomach infrastructure rather than the interest of the people. He said, "People leave parties for different reasons, but what I've been observing in recent times are defections not based on the interest of the people, but on stomach infrastructure." Tambuwal, who represents Sokoto South Senatorial District in the Senate, questioned the rationale behind the defections, stating that no politician with a conscience would align with the APC, considering its policies and the economic hardship faced by Nigerians. You can as well drop your opinion in the comment box section below. Please stay tuned to NaijaNews TV.